Ayo, what about a paslo chede mrano kabal na belvike? Yenala walk tanrak so me. Like this is TNV. Sharon, I'll send you now. We are going inside now. So just give people introduction or who you are. I cannot out say who's Sharon? Tell us.
Sharon, obviously, it's a young girl. I say girl.
Yeah.
Show me anyway. People don't understand. And most people don't know that. But my mom's place is in Amanskranger na maka utsay tilo nya kamotse. Awan. Cause of football na lebana. So so yeah, that's my home, and here is where I was born and bred.
Okay. Are tell us about your background, Momokopani. Like Matomo Nkosala ngwana bolujwa ke nana we know you the way you move more social media, which is something re tobola like yona botsebotse. Re background yela o sa gola mola go tshilo ngono mojwa.
Chomi. Ke ho se ke tshaba ba no ka ba rata too much chomi. No ba rata lo feta.
Oh ba shimane botata ke.
I get a lot bona ohola having those negative thoughts ka bophelo hore no, I'm too dark skinned. Go mutala. Tala bona go gauge ha ro montsontsonto. Oskobo even na bara don't gauge ka malom brain no means malom brain.
Yeah, I know.
Malom ka brain, he's mentally disturbed. I respect him the most. He's very intelligent, that guy, even though he's not okay. But yana nan to share home ke shemane ke pass because of him. But no see easy chum. No see easy cause sometime komrao I remember ke la itse kenge ke lela ro ke blame modimo ro ke lo montsho. Sala o blame modimo ro lo montsho. And it's not fault high. Ke fault ha batsodi ba ha ba khetha no ro bona.
That time no le ka we bolela le primary ro bolela ka high school.
Both high school and primary chum life was never easy. Until ke decide or no buntsho bo ka slow unless ka chacha cream. And a cream as a tsaka chom. O tlhakantsha makeup, it's not my thing. I love to be natural anyway. I'm a natural person. So chom yo itse even primary it was better because nerelebana nersa understand it to be beautiful, to be ugly and what at yo. It was like it grade 9. O tsore mushimano ne ke jona len. And chitela ka lelo bone.
The opposite.
Di thomo ko sa rena mbila ero ke bele depression. Ke bele trauma or why I yale ola ko bathong nna se go ya le nna ko bathong
akru
like ka tlase wa itlala ka tlase batho mo re ke nna mantshu ke nna sathane mabitso a uskobo cause uskobo lo ena self batho ba mpitsa sathane. I remember teacher nna nngwe but I've never hold grudges ne. I still love him, he knows I love you wa kitse ke teacher e bilo tsule pension a re nna ke nna ke
but I'm surprised to concept maybe you were being bullied.
I didn't feel like I was bullied.
Because any Jew we I want whatever.
You know why? I was motivated every day.
Okay.
The more you are telling me how ugly I am, the more I start to grow myself, to appreciate myself. Okay. Rather than keeping indoors, get the blame. I get yo reason why I came today, killing natural, was to make people aware that you cannot change me.
Yeah.
You cannot do competition with me. Wabana ke Mogatxa baby like Sharon at the same time. 2 people. And this other one is teaching me how to be strong every day.
Which one?
Mogatxa baby. Okay. And this other one, Sharon, is the person who has family. I have a family. I'm in a relationship. I am a mother also. Okay. And people don't take Sharon serious than Mogatxa baby. Mogatxa baby I'm just serious because they think she's crazy. And she's not.
When they view you,
immediately when I see Mogatxa baby, I reflect to my problems. Okay. I go back where I to the things that they used to tell me, "Ore, you are ugly, like you don't have life." Like growing up, I used to hear people, like not people close to me, people that I call my friends, or even sometimes she would say you useless and all that. So Mogatxa baby is part of the journey that I heal myself, a healing journey. so tshwana le baby daddy ya ka ola ola
already you're saying
no why do why ke try ho bontsha hore how le motho you need to appreciate yourself.
Yeah.
He was not appreciative towards nna. He thought that I was psycho, I was stupid, I was ugly and all that. I was young, bruh. I was young, I didn't understand. If you sing this, look at me now. Ne? I'm sexy, I'm beautiful. And I'm beautiful, okay, Belv.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm very beautiful.
And I'm not buying his fat hair. Okay.
Don't buy face. Even when I know, look at you are ugly. Belv, I'm beautiful. Even your girlfriend told yellow bone. She can't make changes. I'm beautiful.
You and yellow bones.
I hate them because they used to compete with me in my life. Like, yeah. Ngwanyana o una le body e pila mara difatlho tsa ikare tsa mpya. Like kuning, like I can't finish whatever I've been going through mo pelong growing up. Ibile ko high school ya ka it was worse shame ba mpitsa bo sathane mo mamange difatlho tsa what mara body yona e emi sharp. And what I'm proud of ko body they get face every day. Because that's what they deserve. They see my face every day, but the body they can't see. They only seeing me inside the clothes.
We will allow we know so cause Mogatxa baby. Ke concept or maybe we heal through. And I will like a before Mogatxa baby. And we heal one like this thing is all about hobby jama video or darky whatever.
Yeah, when before Mogatxa baby, it was never easy, Belvine. I would go inside the room. Cry, just cry for real, like for real, because I've never had a best friend. I've never had a brother from my mom, a sister from my mom, which makes me the firstborn. I had to get to motivate every day. Mogatxa baby, you're too cute. Not Mogatxa baby, Sharon. You are very nice. But like they don't deserve you. You deserve yourself. When if they can't see or you are beautiful, who's going to see it? It's me, myself and I. So katomo the pono no man, I'm beautiful. He told me no act how karke was a great talk. Kemo katomo bonta to ke look engage because I told myself I remember too much. Get the last day of my life crying up over. One next up winning. I hear about
because na introduced to you like obviously it's one but life jarna no phela kwa ke phela kwa there was irenguluri I might be wrong on a name. I want to irenguluri a lot of girls go right to be honest they were scared about bona boyfriend chabona lo and I was like eh holo torchela basadi you torchela banna o
Chomile no
it's still the thing
that's how go botsa ke pila chom Ke too much. That's why even now, even know it's worse because I don't associate myself with girls. I associate myself with like men most of the time. You know, when a girlfriend talks, you will until you know because yo, Mogatxa baby ka mogaratang polo ka teng. And I was part of the roof. It makes sense. Mogatxa baby nambile ke rata lo tse pila.
Yeah.
Ke rata phela le batho high standard than banna ba the high standard because when I sit with a man rebulela ka future like baba sharp bolena so le rutegile you are good you are fine in life when I sit with you people think maybe ka onyaka or rajola it's not like that wataka chilang we are talking about life how did you get there and then how did you make it lena I want to make it mo philo that's why go botse ke re ke rata call me chom.
That's the thing you can put changa because you'll come back to my party and call me. But when you wanna see the crazy person or the character of the book. But me knowing you personally I was like, nah, they're missing out. Because you have this I remember this other time when you came back to Amaskral, you were selling marapo and everything. And you were calling yourself Mama Rap. What happened to Wutsika?
She's still available. She's still there. I do have a business that's Amarapu actually. Ne?
Okay.
It happened that I was kidnapped.
Huh?
I was kidnapped last of last year? 2 years. Yeah, is it last of 2024? 6th of May.
What happened?
Ne? Fast and the Furious. When you're doing something with your life, they see a threat. They think maybe you have money or whatsoever. True. So I still remember I was number 2 of selling marapo kwa biggest anyway, ne? Biggest suppliers amaskerala tsa marapo, and I was not supplying amaskerala fell Pitori as a whole. So it happened that I got kidnapped, and then was actually and lucky enough but I was ban rape ke maguzumela, am I right?
They wanted money.
Yeah, they wanted money. So what all about it and about rape mara hun torture hona man torturile, like I still remember that day. Last time man la telgaral tam or one, so that thing triggered. The reason why I came this side was for me to heal from whatever happened to me that side or one. So I decided to come Mumkopani because I see Mumkopani as a relaxed place. I want to learn because you come here, you bully people, you get so that side it's like you live with a sword. You must always carry the sword wherever you're going. If you are a business person that side, you're not safe anyway. So Mama Rapu is still continuing that side. I have people who are selling. I make sure that stock was even this side I wanted to do that, but when I remember they are very, very, very disappointing sometimes. They support, but sometimes these people are complaining a lot. That side Mama Raposa exists. It's just that you're change every year, new vision. Me. I will change tomorrow. I'm gonna
That's the thing about you. Like on plan, this crazy way of changing your characters. When it keep interested guy on to be honest, we just see you as a crazy lady. On a half of Facebook.
Why it's even no higher like a million. When it sees a white spot, it changes into brown or white.
Yeah, but you're the black one. You're the black one. Hey, you know you're Kiwi.
Okay,
that's what I'm playing.
It's okay. I accept.
I'm joking.
You totally know, honey.
Yeah.
You totally know her. You change her skin. When it's this time of the year, it changes her skin. The character len narota kamo again. Oh, jotele makiaka.
Yeah, I want you to clear that thing.
Okay. Oh, jotele makiaka. Oh, jotele makiaka. And man, let's tell Sahuri. Sorry.
Beep.
Okay, sharp. Mo jotele makiaka Belvine and people. Inke barka Belvire kile pole when nice and roof ready. And nage ratanga pela. Do you think I wouldn't make a move? I have your numbers. We talk.
That's the thing that I want you to clarify because people think you are.
We talk and I talk with big people.
Yep.
Big people. Oh, just because of Kilulele Mamang and a man latter pale nage balat. Basari babona balat. Le banna babona balat. One challenge. So it's a scandal or maja baby or chela ban. Nka chela mon nice mulat. Banna balena banyana ba ka batla ba re botsa or simply because I think I post them tracker. Kika serious relationship.
Yeah, that's what I know. I know.
Or kichaka ibana or ki wajwan let's
exactly.
I kika relationship. Do you think to make a child uno dirangwana wa re hawa ke mudiri like one night stand?
Yeah.
I was in a relationship, very serious relationship with my partner. Then shit happened. I respect my grip.
Own your shit.
Grip and nanger. Why grip? I can fair, guys. I'm not like whatever you are thinking. It's just that you can't listen. Yama sato kolosha boncha chorka fair.
Maybe it's how you move. People know.
I like it that way.
Yeah, so if it's working for you,
I like
fine.
it when ladies hate me. And about hospital, but the time when abadula lenna fase maybe ke re dire le functioning yan nna fase o tla kwa motho wa nare yo Sharon next go polo motho mso ape nna ba mputse gore motho mso ebe ke re wena ebe o dumela o mpone na
ba hospital
ku tsetse monna ha ona nna the people that I've dated ask ba tshele banna di relationships tsa bana nne di fedile di shota ka one bar ha o lo ka tsosa be dire ya gale a ikhonege o ro ka tsia Motorola o dira iPhone I khona le tsa dira Motorola wa touch screen. So the relationships ke tsana mo tsona tsotlhe ke na le party ya di baby mama ka ra di relationship but ya no ke metile to know ke 2 not metse o thobile ka 2 not a ina ke mmake le motho ene futeng le nna ke tlo ire ka mkhwa ne bankire ka o lata ka lo lwena ene ka o betho obvious I need my respect ke gana ka nna number 2 lo ka tla mo nna ka business nona lo monga rone go mpha mmereko ka mo after video ela ya ka yo trend ya gore monna ka o bereka ka
ke a gopola
o tlile mo ngo bereka kwa ko Valterra are ha o ka mpha marago 3 weeks nka o faka ka re mpake ke tla o faka morago
checkmate
mpake and then re tla fana ibile nka o fa ngwaga mo hotle ra o ketsa contract ke tlo fa gona from tsatsile ke thomileng go bereka and then ka o fa every day we are will you know what happened the guy blocked me everywhere social media are nna ka papa ke sfere ke papa jang o ntimile mmereko.
How do you win this thing as a no from wena or botse maybe because some other young ladies ba bona ba ka bona le something easy no right ka mo gaya marago and then ke tsana mo spanning ke diam but with you come for respect how do you think the young ones should move so that they can have the respect over langa
Belvi there's no way aure motho a ka go gopela mmele a rutla o fa something later on ai khonagale ladies must think gore when someone start to say go fa mereko after o robalana le wena just know it's a lie if he is serious about giving you a job he must give you a job now and ask for marobalo later on there's no way banyana ba ka ya hore monna o tlotla mo wena a o botsa gore o fa mereko after thobalana there's no way and west part o botsa gore a ke nyake ka condom why a sa nyake ka condom because of why itse rena o fang mereko o fa ngwana kwa o re wena o tlo ya clinicing every day o check or lwala bokana but what I'm trying to say Belvi kore never allow a man to take advantage of you no matter what you do that's why re dirileng event and uplift basadi there are many
about that
there are many victims of what you're saying right now ere ku mphe 2 round and then go tsenche mmerekong le no ba sala ka di 2 round tsa bona because they've never got that opportunity or ba ka beraka ka mine ibile ka mo ba ba feditse ka bontshinyana mbanyana ba
because another pressure by creating this unemployment to say they always think maybe there's easy way out so but programs like what you did last week hostile gana mo kana re mo ke mo kopane resort ne
ke mo
shout out to them
thank you
shout out to them. I remember when you started it with this concept, I was like, hey, there's one thing that but seeing it grow, I was like, you and others, maybe you are a perfect vehicle because whenever you go from other platforms, but wanna link to it right, no sanjigunu di and to why mamang we did.
Belvita ko bojenga when you take, but I want to understand what's this concept ya gore you being sexually harassed but it's a light when someone start to force you doing something illuring it won't benefit you come rao le banyana ba le ba robalana ka chelete she's working for herself and there's no way already there's high employment rate like banyana ne
really
I'm talking about ladies now ne raikira what's why rate there's a lot of things that you can do. I want to know resort. There are activities that as a lady you yourself can come mo ki wa re botsore na ke gopela opportunity ya gore nka bula spa mo lena mo this is a nice place
it's very nice
if o shota the fundings wa botsa motho wa plek wa re na ke gopela gore o mpulele spa so go bere this particular time and then I will take it from there there are many opportunities o ka se role motho bona hore na bona ke na le party o kera mmereko Belvine I've never worked mo plombaka ke berekile di femeng my first pay was 5,000 something and I was 20 something years
that's a lot man
ne that was my first pay challenge mdimu sinka o biele ntwa mkhuta wewe utlonolesa I was tired every day when I go to and abanloy that's what God didn't give me anyway mudimu ubone hore Sharon you love these things and these things you going to push these things from this year to till this year so I took myself out from those things jame mmereko and all that ke bone hore ke nna le batho people appreciated me ke thoma ke bula molomo people listen ke thoma ke picture something like this they take it serious so I said no man I'm a social person let me just try something to boost myself. When I run a business, the business goes very well. Ne? When I do plan something, that thing blow immediately. But that's what I'm trying to say. Go rebel. One na le bokgoni. Modimo o file bokgoni. O ka se ro bona ro kgona ya pea wanna wa ya sa academically. I khone.
That's what you have a skill.
You have a skill. Someone have what art ya ya go sekolong wa nkusha o tsana le lena le badile nna nkgone.
No, we crammed.
I'm very intelligent, believe.
Yeah.
Academically, I'm skilled. Everything. Mudimu mpile mara mudimu asampi munagano mmereko. Or ko bereka motho mongwe. Ke a monyaja le motho o ke mmerekelang cause mudimu ke ntho a sa nyakele nyona. A nya ke bereka motho mongwe. O nya go re nna ke te pereke ke itirela tšhelete yaka.
Yep.
Ka ntshole e ba marega. You are a lady o bereki. A ona gane ka o dira magwenyanyana. Why you yema go crossong kwa
Social pressure is tough.
problem ke banna ba le ba mine banna ba le batla go faka pressure or yona hana ke eme ka bucket
Ye poison. Ye poison.
na hana ke eme ka bucket so what's it's a good thing o reka ma mine fela sala correct se se aka ka thusha se se aka na I show you business I leave you with the business I show you I leave you with the business se sa ke motho a ditlo ke mmontsha ka re gopelo bake bucket tse di two tsa di ku guess what no reka batho ba mine fela also use your phone to market yourself
Yeah.
ke mo ke bona gore no man Mogatxa baby o rata ke batho man
Straight up,
ene ke tlhoile ke batho ba se bele selo
You, that's a bar.
ba o sokola ke tlhoile ke batho ba sokola Belvi ba o tlhoka dilo ko bo bona ba tsogang ka acha ya ko makuleng a ke se acha ya ko makuleng pele I'm not saying it's not right to eat acha ko makuleng msana go next direction acha e kgonagala wa ntlhabanya what I'm saying gore ke tlhoa ke batho ba reng abana selo abana dilo right now ke motho wa strata ke pusha di content o tla kwa motho re o sa berekisha phone eo you know what my answer maka nne kwabo ke first born I have to provide a future for my little sisters so that they can copy from nna gore dilo a o di kere ka banna na mmaka ke gone o bua stina tse penyana tse tharonyana for my mom and I'm proud of that I think ke bele ke monna and I gonna like the rich man bill mara ba ntele selo motho o le tla butsara ke na selo a kena eng so that's motivation for me I don't have to depend on motho wa le ditšhelete wa nna ke sa itele yaka why
That's the spirit that I love about you. Now in Yakarabuleka, the event. It's uplift and what? Vent and
uplift basadi.
You came with an idea. Obviously, other people they loved it, others they didn't.
A lot.
Tell us about it.
Yeah, you know, Belvi Vent and uplift. It's more like a counseling session. Okay. People don't understand. It's
break it down. Make us understand.
It's more like a counseling session. Ka are na le bo di doctor. Apeng Mogatxa baby lucky, Sharon lucky because he will abam patedishi. I just matter. Session itla. You are a doctor. We can help each other. And the more I call you as a doctor, those people who are moving and uplift, they will start to trust
collaboration
you.
Over competition.
Exactly my point. So, and again, like how they are not jealous. As I told about jealous, about greed. They are very, very nice people, those people that I'm working with. Ne? Vent and uplift basadi, it's a so. It's more like a counseling. You are going through a lot. You can't say what you're going through. When a lot of they are very,
introverts.
Okay. They cry inside. Instead of they talk to people or talk to someone. They are not. Man, like both.
Yeah.
Both. Yeah. Sometimes I cry alone. Sometimes I have to talk to someone. They know what's even most of the time. Or hey, I wanna know key image. Let's come on a so event. Lenna ko eventing yabasari I vent.
Yeah.
Kalle, give me kill. Give a one short. This thing is hurting me a lot. Usara lahori usfebe. Orata banna babato. It's killing me every day because I would ask myself, I'm checking banna ba batho, what happened, what have I done.
And most of them is just war sport. They don't know the truth.
Sometimes today I'm not questioning you. I'm just going to kneel down. You are showing me how people are treating me rather than in silent. So I would come to ladies, guys. I want to know this thing is affecting me. I'm scared for my kids, or I'm scared for she's growing up, and then all under social media and it breaks her too. That's why she's far away from my lifestyle. I'm far away from whatever she's doing. I make sure that I go and visit her like any mother would do. I make sure that I do anything for her, and I make sure that she's happy. Excluding her from my social life. You've never seen me posting my daughter.
Yeah, we need to protect them.
I will never post my daughter, but when it comes to such things, people are going through a lot. Basadi, they are not happy in their marriage, and we are not only focusing on vent and uplift Basadi. We're only focusing on vent and uplift Banna. Because Banna Lebana, we take pleasure Basadi. Ora, when no munna. Exactly, but they're taking advantage of Banna. They can't say anything. Well, I would only opportunity in Chauru, you can come to us, you cry with us, we can tell you. No, we like case to case. When you open a case, that incident somewhere, I won't mention the place, Mara not far.
The one that went to
no, not that. Mogai omungwaga masaite kam machikirur ke guy na beta
I didn't know that.
Yeah now to all na beta msadi. So as relevasari event and uplift banna, we step in. When we step in, that's when we teach men to stand up for themselves, not by betam side.
A big shout out to that.
Not for
that's the one.
Not for abetam side, but to talk for yourself. Police station, they are there. Social workers are there. They are there to help you. And to go to counseling, abuse and all that. And only GBV
It's tough.
As a GBV, Basadi fan. And I'm not promoting effect or Munna Sanja Betem side. No. Marawai when I'm sorry, I would domestic violent Munna and we tepilo ragas bulen.
That's the problem, because as we are fighting the angle, we need to protect our sisters, protect our girlfriends. One level just the bag, one other equal being the opposite.
Benung GBV is too much.
That's too much.
Never said it's better because they are killing half. Banna, most of them, they are going through a lot. Mind you, Munna has to pay for your bills. Munna has to pay for school fees. Munna has to buy you clothes. Munna has to make sure that you fine your hair, expensive hair. They are doing banyana. They are not working. Imagine what is that doing to a man? The expenses. Let's say Baba no mining. Mining. I only say lojo. Immediately out from 20,000 days deductions, the expenses are all.
That's what people don't get.
People don't understand.
We work for our own expenses.
Exactly. That's why one pay is for one person. That's why they pay sleep. Plus your girlfriend.
Nah. There's no such.
I will not plus your girlfriend. Immediately when you decide to make children, that's when your pay slip plus your children, not plus your girlfriend. No, your responsibility is no longer your girlfriend, but your kids. Ne? But so they are dealing with stress. They are dealing with abuse. When we talk about abuse, physical or emotional, or even emotional, physically, mentally, yes. But mostly they are suffering from mentally, some physically, and then
then how do you guys protect someone's identity? Let's say maybe but I don't want what's the angle there?
Remember, we have confidential forms that you sign. you when what the oath, it's an oath kind of yaure I can say nakam I can read this place is very natural
Yeah.
when you vent you can go it's a natural thing. Some people heal
fresh air.
some people heal in a natural way.
They connect to nature.
Yeah, they connect to nature. The reason why people connect to nature, because some can't talk to us. Rather they go to ask him, no tangerine introduce a vision of vent. It's kind of a wrench if no, we're giving you an opportunity to go there. Oh, venta kwa runche tala skeper tamai. Oh, la kwa ranuka ubetane limits yal. So we have confidential forms that assure us when you go out, I want to ilinkamo. It's one.
What happens in Vegas
stays in Vegas. It's only me who has my phone on that session. I want a group. I run a group chat, guys. We don't have a group chat to vent. We don't want that.
Yeah.
Because our social media is crazy now. So I would make sure you post a Bellevue. Bellevue financial. It's not stable. So yeah, we have forms that we fill from police station and from us police station if anything there's going to be an investigation and about to make an and oskalga matlalo ro tla mo tlo senyetsa nna reputation o tlo la o le ka kwa le nna nga se o beilela ka ra ke na la rand o tla ba botsa botso rena why o ntshitse information amot but so far so good. We had one and we've never had security ya motho e tswa e re hey hape and ne batletsi bo maki ke rile he rentse wa itse re irang rena we take a box o ngala mathata gago on a paper so that basket or mang abolelang mathata
anonymous.
Yeah, it's a kind of anonymous venting. You write your problems, you ufaka kara box, you write your problem ufaka kara box, and then when there is that time rinche fella so we read your paper without a name. You are now a kids. So other ladies will give you advices on how we will help you. And then after the session, you will come to me. We write your name down. We find counseling for you if it's needed. Because matata mongengere na sernadi psychologist. The platform is for you to vent out, and we give you ideas. We make sure that you maybe the ideas social worker special yes.
Sharon, we've been talking, and I realized that I was not speaking with Mogatxa baby. I was speaking with Sharon letago. Is letago your other name, Mori?
No, the other Sharon letago. Letago is my daughter anyway. And then all my signature things that I do, including my cocktails, I have signature cocktails. I named them after my daughter. She's very precious. So when I sustainer, come to Vent and Uplift, real route about those things, on how to take care of yourself. That day, you can inbox me or you can inbox
who?
That girl waka.
Okay, no problem.
You can inbox that on Facebook, guys, for more information because she's our social engine. Yes, and I'm the founder, and she's part of me. She's everything, including Bellevue. Let's come to
no, me. Be afraid of me. She's lying. She's lying. This one, she's lying. No,
the problem is, why? So yeah, if you need any information, you can tell him. You can talk to him. He will pass the message to me as a lady. Why kwisha? And a banana baka, le banana baka ba botle ke le chabile teng. Le san chaba ke rata banana guys. Angry naka favor. So when it comes to this, come to me, come to cry to me. I want to be like lately veggie. You have a balla. My phone. Who is going to have right?
Before it's all, let's speak about the character. I'm interested in the character now.
Which one? Cause
The character, the main character, which is Mogatxa baby.
Okay.
When you started to tell me like who posted the clip in your or Mogatxa or Dijo Rekechi. What was happening there?
Bona Belvine. Don't all of us are dependile mo baneng.
Yep.
And most people thought like dependile mo sugar father.
Okay.
Because people think I'm dating a sugar daddy. When you're doing things for yourself, yes. When you're doing things for yourself, they think you're a sugar daddy. No, no, but I don't like fancy stuff.
Yep.
If I did like fancy stuff, I'm going to put a fancy phone, see us can do, mama. When I think of buying it, and then who's going to buy something like this? Go kai kai go hey kala kala man company donate guys. All on the phone as iPhone. I don't donate okay. So let's talk about Mogatxa baby.
Yeah, correct. I want Mogatxa baby.
Mogatxa baby can go out alone, get out of buy food, take pictures. Kachari pictures, yeah. And mind you, I was not in a relationship with anyone. After giving birth.
Okay.
People don't understand or single. Now, Mogatxa baby until Mogatxa baby we are on the same industry. Why kusha? Understand and he understand me, I understand him. I posted like I get monaka, war 50 million. Hey, a trend, yo. I didn't think it will blow like that. Why kusha? Kabaka poster fridge. Yela yari jota ko kai kai di majwala ama change. Nail bride that day. Never celebrator I should regular fridge.
Clever one.
Never celebrator I should regular fridge ela fridge dispenser belvinger. Nesina say lo kamagar. Neno wallo chari breakfast if you can check. That was the first thing like ever in my life experiencing fridge dispenser. Yeah, linkaresh. Yes, pili belvi. Kara what is your 30,000 ke monneng monna ka reka dijo batho ba bankaela ka dipholo ni tsela.
I remember they went hard.
Russia di tsela Liviana tsela ne. I wanted that. It was part of content.
Yeah.
So after seeing those posts Jeped jadi dijo tsa go Nando's. And I got a free meal from Nando's guys anyway. Yes, after those food tsa Nando's. I don't know man. This thing will carry them perekelanya. Yeah, we can try something else.
Yep.
I got to make a picture. And I tell you, Parana, I tell you, we can aqua. Tabu Malmagacha Hal. Hey, Nambilaka, one or no man. But you are at your parole, it's a lot. My family were worried. They thought I was.
Yeah, this one.
Because she can start anytime because Gagashona Albatama mentally disturbed.
Yeah.
And the character behind that was to teach people to appreciate Batos Jebutsi. You don't have to swear at them. You have to respect them. They have feelings. They understand those people. He's a polite person.
Yep.
If you know him,
I know him.
You would know or no. He's a nice guy, this guy. So I was making awareness at the Rafi. Sorry to say the Rafi, but I can mentally ill people.
What's the proper word you describe? You said mentally
disturbed.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wanted to make sure.
Mentally ill people.
Yep.
So I told my video Ela Munaga Valter. I want Munna Valtera guys. Banna Valtera Vanyeti Babo, okay. Can Nagelo one and Nakano Belacabana because there was the to teach you what Munna Valtera aga afford.
Yep.
They do afford Linagam Dumanka Munum so like Sadila content but like Kitipendamo Munne and Ogaraka Mustilon Renalena. So yeah, that was the context behind it. And guess what? People didn't know there was Valtera anyway. I got in box tja gore ne re kgopela gore plug ka mine oh I have CK ke yona
You don't have
CK,
CK. Oh,
what's
that was that
that?
time he rebrand. I remember.
Exactly, people were saying it's Anglo.
Yeah, that was that time.
Skipper sal ne le se sentse it's feel like I'm talking mining a re tšhomi ka mokgwa go ratela content ya hao because the time I posted ne ke bolela ka mine ke re motho go bereka Valterra and that moshima la tla le beke skipper sela am parchom tshwara so for promoting our mine, creating awareness about the mine and all that. Unfortunately ngire ba o lawyer eba o lawyer pila batho kwa ke nnang kwa ba o lawyer hantle ka tsamai botse o no makala ba bitsa interview sa pass o sharakane o le one like o sharakane o tla interview wa tla di makeup tsa Mogatxa baby ba go abu izuru ba lo ba botlhale wena. Yeah, that was it Mogatxa baby. Kaya ka next the makeup tshela chomi I don't
the makeup.
I don't apply makeup.
The concept it la ngwana na kuthomo bona o tlola dijo wala.
Makia ka ole ngwana kwa bo bereka clicks. Dilo ke dilo tsa ka clicks tsa di example.
Okay.
Yeah, ka re nka di me chomi ke bone ke setse makeup. Ka tshela di brela tsa I never knew the character was going to blow. Like I didn't even have a name for my character. It's just Mudimo how feel that character of you.
Yeah.
I don't know how faselo. Mogatxa baby no from today Mogatxa baby.
Now we see a lot good eventing being a promoter.
Show me ki book your para DJ.
Arabolele ka that.
Ki booki wa phala DJ tsa mo kopanetso tsotlhe a ke booki we ka 6 ya Astropes a ke booki we ka hub le chom a ke booki we ka we visang plata chom when you book me they know le banye ba di phaputseo they know very well hore the event organizer before they hire me they say send us your invoice how come na mo send the invoice uno kusha ne ke chipile last year ne ke tsama ma 800 just to promote your event and people don't understand what is to promote something well it's very hard you need to plan you need mission you have to have mission and you see your mission with vision. These are the two things you must have a mission to vision your product that we advertise. I've never promoted for someone yes we sold out. I've never promoted for someone event fail. I've never promoted for someone event fail. I make sure when I promote you get what you want, you get what you paid for. Unfortunately I had some client about and this year tell land but waka ke na le lawyer
thank you
wait tlhalanya ke no shota manager fela but for now I can't afford manager ke tlo afford a manager he ke sno ba DJ Belvi ngere no tsana sekolo sa DJ and le se ka makala ke DJ
you sneak this one
ka Mogatxa baby that's all go ke re o ka se lebelle Mogatxa baby for the event born from February I was not working no study event show. That's why plan B always needed to be there no matter what. So Mogatxa baby know how to book a eventing ka booki wa phala DJ as I said
you am fair
no matter residentially you are known as a big player DJ. I don't think gore the event se ke di berekang ka moka ba bang la te khopella na ke te khopelle ke shem Ballata straight.
I don't can see your work.
Ballata straight go pela re promotel. O tsa re ke gone promote the event tsa ko Mpumalanga.
Ntulimo.
Ke le gana moki. Unfortunately sometimes wa tsa unya go tlhoka go loi bel. Le manager wa koloi ska no kgetha manager wa maoto. Wa maoto tsana le wena cause o tlo safara this industry needs a car. Botse wa bana. Engebe ke qualify botse o sa sene ke lata Amaroko ene ke lata Amaroko we na le message o ka se bola ke Maroko a fetsa reka Amaroko e ka se gone you must have you must hustle Belvi. So sometimes when tsatile modimo ankarabang nkere ga ntse a ke afford sephatlo sa ba le Russian le Vienna le Polone nye ke afford sa di chips le cheese fel a ke dume sa hao Belvi sa hao sephatlo se je no o se enjoy ke sa hao nna ya ka nna gore ke reke Big Mac e la ya McDonald's e tlo fitla ka ruhiwa Belvi ba re a wena o bukiwa jwang o dirang kwa di-eventeng gore o tle ko eventeng o bone nna ke o bone nna so wa ntlhoka o ka ba re nna re ga Mogatxa baby re ga Mogatxa baby
that's what they don't get. There are some people they really enjoy you being there.
I can namela stage Belvi o ka re ke celebrity ke sure ke nagana gore ngwa go tlang tlabe ke namela tshwana le Casper ba re o ke bele sa rate Mogatxa baby ne ke tlo ba di brand ambassador tša dilo tše di kaka bo Barracks so for the
you mean Barracks?
so for the likes of
People are moving.
yes and batho ba tsebe like they don't know because nna se nna motho a lebe I work with many big people that I keep quiet of. I ke rate gore moepa thutse ba re o ya dirang
Moepa thutse o dia
o ya pa gomotse o tla no makala tshwere diamond e kaka
moepa thutse ya pa gomotse
yona e wa ke sho mara nna ka ya ka ke biana ka mkhone so Belvi ke brand ambassador lo tšentši ka mo ke ga ka go bitsa ka ga when I see this place I get free. My spirit is free. Why? There is lots of nature. I love this place, guys. Little swimmer mahala le mabedi. When I drop patela Belvi mara.
Thank you, Baba.
So, sorry. So the relationship between me and this, I promote for them.
Okay.
I've never promoted for. I once promoted for this other resort. Okay. They fucked up. No, my friend, you fucked up big time. No, utla tuya batho.
Yo.
You fucked up. You cannot fight with a diamond. And you
the black one.
A black diamond is more expensive than the yellow bone diamond.
I'm fish.
I didn't go to the story. Santana, because motor I relent I won't in a low feta and then you feel a mudim. I'm not saying you are not important.
Me and you can sit here and talk all day, ne?
Yeah.
Give us before you give us your social media handles and people can get hold.
What my God?
Hey, agree.
Social handle
help, guy. Hey, Baba, help here. The platform Jarao, social platforms Jarao. Okay, so yeah, before we get there, I want to know more. If there is that one thing that you wish to change about your life, and that other thing you enjoy about your life.
I wish I could change someone's mind. Yeah, or they made up their mind. Or nakarekish.
Okay.
South Africa, I'm not selling. And if you got a get post, I can get one round to get 5,000.
I'm gonna make special.
Yeah, and I get really special. There, guys, I'm not selling myself, and I'm not willing to sell myself today or tomorrow or anytime.
Okay.
I'm not desperate, and also I would like to change the mindset about everyone no I've given you a short notice a short note or you write your problems, you throw them on the box, you write your problems, you throw them on the box. So or no one show me. So again, what I would like to change is that like my wish to be honest with you, my wish is to have money, be able.
Let's make the two of us. I want money.
My wish is to have money. Consistent generating of money, so that I can help the poor.
Okay.
I know I cannot help them all, but my vision as a kid was to have my own community center.
Okay.
Even though I can donate, I can I've donated for many people. But when I see someone as I feel like when giving them whatever they need, and guess what, Belve? After donating for someone, that thing comes to me 2 times. I don't know.
That's true. Blessings.
So I would love to donate. I need to have my own community center whereby kids will come back home from school to come and eat. Through when they are going to school, come and take 2 slayana with juicing, go to school, and all that. I know the pain. I've been there. I would like to donate for those kids about Palagoya the trip, just go.
Yeah.
Going on trips is very important, Belvine,
Yeah.
because over Tokushete high or Roshala go school, Manamana Melody base. Not I give like a teenage, give like a van.
I get it.
Over Toko, how out is school. I'm not saying but they are very careless, no.
It's a situation.
Situation does not allow your kid to go. But when we are not judging you, and a little child assasa is not enough, we are not judging anyone. Let have been there, because our child assasa is not enough. Ne? So I want to create a platform whereby every kid, I would have 2 to 3 kids that I'm going to help consistently. So that's why I can patchelate in Chinyana so that I can help other kids. And then also you to in
closing, if ever there's anyone that can go where do you contact you?
Everywhere. When I go Facebook ware Sharon letago. Ke tlo le cancela mara Sharon letago guys, because everyone I'm letago. I'm not letago guys. Letago is my daughter, okay?
We didn't know.
She's my beautiful daughter, my princess. Guys. She's my queen, ne? So letago is my daughter, Belvine.
Yeah.
It's not my surname. My surname is Mogatxa, and I'm going to change everything. I'm going to make my platform to be Mogatxa baby, because everyone appreciates Mogatxa baby, ne? And then I'm not much on TikTok. Go TikTok okay last ya chakwa. Ke mama rap.
Okay.
Ekwa. But le TikTok ya bomanyana ke bone ke postile video nyana e one nyana
Yeah, bona re.
Batho ban rata. Next time bona re rata le sharp mara. Le nna ka la rata guys. And then yeah, that's it. I don't give out my numbers anymore because you people are calling me at night saying come outside. I want to see you. What's that, Bill?
I don't know. Ask them.
Someone will inbox me and say, "Hopelo video call like it. I'm in a shower." Guys, let it say, "Kone." Omungo malo weng inbox it aro kam.
Poison there's more here.
No, like omungo no inbox are kam kho
Poison.
Are kam kho sexy ka ona o ka re nka video call wa bona re ke ira nka ntwa. Guys, into our character by just serious. I can't what's a maga. I'm inbox are EP night.
Yeah.
Guys, knife ka rekisa ke tlo posta le sawar. It tlo fitlhana go re rek. And a little rek ka knitting ke re nna tla ke sa cheaper. Nke be ke ile polokwane if ka khosha guys, but it's okay.
No, Sharon, let's just close it. I can feel it. I'm not going to poison. Any last words I would find your followers out there?
Yo guys, thank you so much for supporting me always, booking me, the event organizers. Thank you so much for engaging with me, guys, for the love that I'm receiving everywhere, anywhere, anytime. And then get over for a polo like but I love you guys, continuing supporting us. Please come to Vent and Uplifting. Come support anything that we do. It's not only for us. The benefits of doing those things, they are there. Come and grab them. It's about Nagiwani. Yes. Mara banna le sabatsi ala ntlohong guys. Banna ba ba re shusha.
Hey, tima. Hey, tima.
Yeah, guys, I love you so much.
But then we just want to send a shout out to somebody who's still we really thank you. This is a dope view.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I think you want to come back here, boys, and like it's.
There's entrance fee. Where
Nice, yeah, we'll pay. It's nice.
Yes, the place to host here, Belvine.
Yeah.
To host on this place. For now, you only come and celebrate yourself. You pay the entrance fee, which is 100 rand. Okay. And then we have a playground for kids.
Yeah,
also, yes. And then we also have many activities, guys. Very nice activities. The place is still developing, but the swimming pools are there. The bright sides are there. We have shelters. Don't worry, we got you. We afford, we buy. And also we have boat cruise.
What?
Boat cruise.
Boat who?
boat cruising. Yes, we're going to host a boat cruising. And then yes, we're going to host ours here on our Mokopan resort, but we're still planning it. So guys, when we host, please come in numbers.
Yep.
I host like 80 rand, but normal days it's 100 rand, and then for kids it's 50 rand. But baba nyanya baba nyana baba tail. Okay. Yeah, peace.
No problem. Do that.
No, don't worry, we got you. A very, very, very affordable B&B in town of a hotel. It's Mokopane Hotel. And if you are in town or Lapile, you can contact them. Mokopane Hotel, they will sort you out. Better or no comfortable. Upala boyfriend out show me. Asola king what joke. Ogara when a Salgaro Mushimano Momwe. Better all returning come Harry too.
Wonderful.
Come on, busy or show me I guess you tell when get hot chocolate because I'm more mukil planka latte. I don't care Hovala, show me a Sankaravan and I get a look at Heining. Mara anyway, Cara Hunaldi Hotel is a right. Kitola Plaga, let's go attack.
Without any waste of time. Please don't forget to follow us for Facebook, Talk My Views, and then on YouTube we are TMV. Make sure that you click that button, man. It's 0 rent.
I'm following.
Subscribe and help us to grow so that we can reach more people.
And no follower, Talk My Views. It's not like you're going to make us rich, no. You're just seeing what we say. Why, Chalan?
Which are never TNV. Next time.